In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add card covers in Trello. Card covers are a great way to make your Trello boards more visually appealing and organized. Whether you want to use bold colors, beautiful images, or custom uploads, adding a cover to your Trello cards can help you quickly identify tasks and make your workflow more engaging. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to add, customize, and adjust card covers in just a few simple steps. So, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to www.trello.com. Once you're on the homepage, look towards the top right corner of your screen and click the Login button. Next, you'll need to enter your email address or select one of the available sign-in options, like signing in with Google or Microsoft. If you're entering your email, type it in, and then proceed to enter your password. Complete the login process by following any additional prompts, such as a single sign-on if your organization uses one. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your boards or workspace page. From here, locate the board where you want to add a card cover. Click on the board to open it and view all the lists and cards it contains. Now, you can either choose an existing card or create a brand new one. To add a new card, scroll to the bottom of any list on your board, click Add a Card, type a name for your card, and hit Enter. After your card is created or selected, open the card to view its details. This will bring up the card's Details panel, where you can manage various options. On the right side of this panel, you'll see a list of card actions. Look for the option labeled Cover and click on it. This will open the Cover panel, where you can choose the perfect cover for your card. You have several options here. You can select a solid color from the available palette, search for a photo from Unsplash by typing a keyword and selecting an image, or upload an image directly from your computer. Once you've chosen your preferred cover, you can also decide how it will display on the card. You can opt for a full cover, where the image or color fills the entire card, with the title displayed on top. Alternatively, you can choose a smaller banner style, where the cover displays as a strip at the top with the card title shown below it. To ensure your card is easy to read, you may want to adjust the cover for better readability. For example, you can choose a lighter image, a high contrast color, or switch to a smaller banner style so the text remains clear and visible. When you're satisfied with your selection, simply close the card and you'll see the updated cover displayed right on your Trello board. And that's it. You've successfully added a card cover to your Trello board. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.